today I'm going to be showing you these two carburetors I got sent from an Amazon store. CLSR22U is the name of the store, and I'm going to be showing you what they come in. But I'm going to make sure that you check the description if you need a carburetor yourself. These are really affordable, and as you're going to see in a second, they come with everything that you need to leave your machine running in top-notch shape. Between these two models right here, you're gonna be able to cover almost every single snowblower that there are out there. As you can see, they come with the carburetors themselves. This is the one that we're gonna be using for our own project, and this is like if another machine like a Craftsman or something like that will use this kind of style carburetor. But also in the package, besides the carburetor, you get a plunger, so you're gonna be able to replace that part. You also get all the gaskets that you're gonna need when you replace the carburetor, new lines to replace those ones that have been dried, they're dry or hard. You're gonna get a spark plug, so you can change your spark plug. And in this case, it actually comes with a fuel cutoff, which is a really nice addition. The next time that we had to do this, we don't have to leak a lot of gas. So as you can see, and this one also comes with a filter. So really a really complete package. You get everything that you need to leave your machine running top notch after being parked for a long time or a long winter. So